Welcome to our channel. If you purchased a prepaid card at Lowe's and need to activate it, follow these step-by-step instructions to start using your card. Step 1. Open the packaging and carefully remove your prepaid card along with any accompanying materials or instruction sheets. Step 2. Read the activation instructions printed on the card packaging or instruction sheet to identify the activation method. Step 3. Locate the activation phone number or website URL provided with your card. Step 4. If activating by phone, call the toll-free activation number from your mobile or landline phone. Step 5. Follow the automated voice prompts and enter your card number when requested. The card number is typically a 16-digit number on the front of the card. Step 6. Provide any additional verification information as prompted, such as your zip code, date of birth, or the last 4 digits of your social security number. Step 7. If activating online, visit the activation website URL provided on the card materials. Step 8. Enter your card number and any other requested information on the activation website. Step 9. Create a 4-digit PIN for your prepaid card when prompted and confirm it by entering it a second time. Step 10. Sign the back of your card immediately after activation for added security. Step 11. Your prepaid card is now active and ready to use for purchases, online transactions, and ATM withdrawals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.